Have you ever felt truly connected to your game? I remember the first time I lost myself in a world. The music, the voices, every sound. But something was missing. The feeling. That deep electric pulse of real immersion. I wanted to feel every footstep, every heartbeat. Then I discovered the Razer Kraken V4 Pro wireless. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. Everything changed the moment I put it on. The OLED control hub greeted me with endless options. Over 20 ways to personalize my audio, haptics, and look. I could finally make my setup truly mine. Switching between PC, console, and phone. Effortless, dual USB-C ports, and 3.5mm input. I connected up to 3 devices at once. No more fumbling with cables or settings. And then the haptics took over. Razer Sensa HD haptics brought my games to life. Every explosion, every whisper, every distant echo. I could feel the direction, the intensity, the distance. It was like stepping inside the game itself. I switched from wireless to Bluetooth in seconds. Seamless, lag-free, and always reliable. Mixing 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth audio? Simple. I listened to my game and my phone together. Never missed a call or message again. And when my friends called out, the retractable hyper-clear super wideband mic delivered. My voice was crystal clear, rich, and natural. No more repeating myself or shouting. When I finished, the mic slid away. Neat, flush, out of sight. The sound? Unbelievable. Triforce Biocellulose 40mm drivers made every note shine. Deep bass, crisp highs, and perfect mids. No distortion, just pure, lifelike sound. THX spatial audio expanded my world. I could hear footsteps behind, above, all around me. I felt like I was right there, in the middle of every battle, every adventure. And the visuals? Stunning. 9 zones of Razer Chroma RGB lighting, each zone customizable for my own style. My battle station glowed with every victory. Even late at night, the colors felt comforting. This headset became more than just a tool. It became my gateway to new worlds. A way to stay close to friends, to share laughter, strategy, and triumphs. It's for every gamer, every dreamer, every creator. Whether you play on PC, Mac, PlayStation, or Switch. Whether you're on the go or at home. The Razer Kraken V4 Pro adapts to you. It's more than technology. It's comfort, connection, and creativity in one. It's the feeling of being understood. The feeling of belonging to something bigger. Because gaming is more than just playing. It's about stories, emotions, and memories. It's about feeling every moment and never missing a beat. With the Razer Kraken V4 Pro, you don't just hear the game. You live it, you feel it, you become a part of it. Every session, every sound, every light, all tailored just for you. So why settle for ordinary? Step into the extraordinary. Let your senses guide you. Let your heart lead the way. Bring your games and your dreams to life. Experience the Razer Kraken V4 Pro wireless. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. Feel the difference. Live the adventure. Make every moment unforgettable. Your journey starts now. Are you ready to feel more? Join the next generation of gamers. Get your Razer Kraken V4 Pro today.